bad things. You can't escape the past. It's like your mind is somewhere else.
So you can do something about it now, or live with it forever.
This could get messy.
You thought you were going to be some great saviors? You can't even save yourselves.
We can't do this. No one here is a hero.
Lena, when I look at you, I don't see your mistakes. That's why we need each other.
Okay, that was really good.
We are the Thunderbolts!
Can't call ourselves that.
God, thank you.
This has makings of team.